So for today's drawing, I'm going to draw one line over here. Now I'm going to start from here. At the same time, I will make a dot over here, and this dot, it's not going straight, not this way, it will go on the right hand side, and I will try to draw one big arch over here, kind of like a half heart shape. And from here I'm going to connect this one. Now I will start from here, and here it's kind of like a big D, and when I will start, I will not go very smooth line, I will try to go a little bit slightly wiggly. So you can draw very light line. On the top you can do little bit wiggly line. I'm making it dark, try to draw light. I'm going to draw the eye, but if you don't want to draw the eye, you can skip this part. Over here we can do line like this and Y on the top, and we will try to make it double. If you don't want, you can just draw a straight line, that's totally fine, kind of like a bubble letter like this. So we can start from here, one, and then second one, and then we are going to make them double. And over here again I'm going to do double. If you really want, you can erase these parts and make them a little bit more thicker over here. So mostly here, this wider area, so we are going to draw lots of lines here, some wiggly, some little bit kind of like a noodles. So I'm going to start from here and see this one. So once I will start, it will go out and it will try to come closer to this one, and then you can go this way, this way, this way, this way. And if you want, you can start again, and then because they have really long ones, so then you have to go back and you have to double them. That's a fun part. Now other one I can do a little bit wiggly, and then I will turn the way you want. I want to do one, maybe small one over here. I want super duper skinny one. I want another one going maybe here, maybe one under here. but still they are going to be double. So you have to draw a lot of them over here.